Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel, The Catalyst, the home of solutions. So, we are going to continue our lessons on list in Python. Okay, in our previous lesson, we learned how to input values in an array of floats or real numbers, and at the end, what did we do? We did the sum of all the elements that were added in the list, and we printed the result as the sum. So in this lesson now, we'll see how to sort elements of a list. Okay, we'll see how to sort them using methods sort and sorted. So we'll see the difference, because there's a difference between sort and sorted. Okay, sort, what it does is it takes the list, it sorts up the elements, that is, it changes the positions, and it does the sorting both in ascending and descending order. Then sorted, what it does is it changes the order of, it does not change the order of the elements, but it sorts out the elements of the list without changing their original order. It means that the list remains unchanged, but the elements are being sorted afterward. Okay, so we'll see. Let's not waste time. Let's go into programming. So we are going to continue from where we ended here from our last exercise, but this time around we are just going to add the elements, and then we'll print the list before sorting and after sorting. So the list, we'll just modify the list before sorting is this, and here we'll say the list after sorting is still this. Okay, so what we'll do is before sorting we'll print the list normally, and then after that we'll call on the method sort to sort our list. As simple as that, and then we'll see the result after sorting. So let's move and see how it looks like. Our result. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, sorry, I still made the same mistake. I did not format. Let me format. Okay, now let's enter the elements. I'm just entering the elements just anyhow. Let's see. So those are the 5 elements. You see, the list before sorting is this, and then the list after sorting is this. We see that it is in ascending order after sorting. So when you use sort, it sorts out the elements in ascending order. Now let's change the order. If, for instance, we want it to appear in descending order, what do we do? Okay, so that's what we'll do now. Then here we'll modify our code, and we'll put list dot sort, and then in brackets we'll write reverse equals to true. Reverse equals to true, and then we'll print the list. So we'll say list after sorting, or the list in descending order is, let's put in ascending order is the list in ascending order is that, and then here we'll say the list in descending order is, so that is it. So let's run and see how it looks like. So enter a number. Okay, So we can see here the list before sorting, okay, the list in ascending order. We can clearly see here that it is ascending, okay, and then the list in descending order. We can clearly see here, okay. So that is it about sorting, okay. Now let's use the second function now called sorted. Let's see the difference between these two, okay. So what we'll do is instead of writing sort here, I will just call on the function sorted, and I will put the list sort, okay, and then we'll print it in the ascending order, okay. You will print it in ascending order, but now we'll see the difference, the list. Let's see what will be the content of the list. Okay, let's see what will be the content of the list. After this, you'll see that the list originally before sorting will not change. Just look at this, okay. So let's see. Okay, so we have 12.5, 14.25, 4.25, 8.75, 19.75. So those are the numbers. So we say the list before sorting is this, and the list in ascending order. In ascending order. So there's no I was supposed to assign it to a number, to a variable, okay. I will call that variable sorted list, okay. That variable, sorry, I was supposed to create a variable that will take in the sorted list, okay. So let's try and see how it looks like now. So let's enter the numbers. So the list before sorting is this, then the list in ascending order using sorted method. You see that it has sorted in ascending order. Then the list before sorting is, you see that it has not changed. After calling on the variable sorted list, it has not changed the content of the list, but now the elements that were sorted were stored in a new list called sorted list, okay. So that's the difference between the two, the difference between sorted and sort. So there's a difference with sort. When you sort the elements, their positions do change in the list, whereas with sorted, what you do is you change you sort out the elements, but you assign the sorting to a new variable, okay. You assign it to a new variable. So that's it about sorting functions. So we'll see in our next class, we'll move to other functions. Please remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so, and make comments, like, share our videos. Thank you very much, and see you in our next class. God bless you.